Look at that dirt. They up there digging for gold. And the continuation of rebuilding Oakland Court continues. Let's take a look at this. Hello, kid. Look like it did supervision. Look at that Jeep going down there. As you can see, what was once 60-year-old homes is now all field. Look at this. This looks like Paramount Pictures Corporation in the back of JJV Studios. Wait a minute. Let's do that again. In the back of JJV Studios. It's laying the dirt groundwork together. Stay tuned. We're going to have more updates to follow as they get ready to put in new homes on the side of Academy Street. And a car flying 90 miles an hour. This has been a JJV production.